Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The words in my head and the words in my mouth are two different things apparently today. So today, as you read in my description, I want to tell you something. I have insomnia. Because what I do at nighttime, at 2 in the morning, I go shopping. So recently, the shopping channel, TSC, had a sale on their IT cosmetics, and I've wanted to try the cosmetics for a while. I have like the little sample of the It's Confidence in a cream bottle, and I really like that. Although that was one of the things that got lost in my bag when we went on vacation a while ago, and it's still 6 hours away, so whatever, it is what it is. So yeah, let's get into see what I did at nighttime. Alright guys, so this was, Confidence in a gel. Apparently this is one of their new things, so that's what the package looks like. And this is supposed to be 72 hours of hydration. And I need hydration in my life so very badly. Yeah. So, it comes in a pump. How awesome is that? I love things in a pump. I hate having to dip my fingers into things and then put it onto my face. I just find that that's not sanitary, and your things aren't just they're not going to last. Also, if you've noticed, I do have, now I get the hiccups. I do have eye makeup on, but I don't have any else on because I'm saving for what's in the bag. This is kind of my first time without anything on my face. Don't judge me. Yes, got rosy cheeks and things going on down here, so just ignore that. Hopefully we'll cover it up soon. Yeah, so Confidence in a gel. I'm really excited about that. And then this, I've already tried to film this already one time, so that's why some of them are open. But this is their Your Skin is Better CC Plus Illumination Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream with SPF 50. So that's cool. It comes in this little thingy here. I'm not quite sure what that is, but look how big this bottle is. It can't even fit into my screen. It's huge. It's going to last forever. I find shiny things don't... Oh, there we go. It seems a little dark. Hopefully that's okay. This is as light as you could get. Apparently I'm so pale that light doesn't even work on my skin. But again, a pump. Yes. Some companies are figuring this out. So hopefully that thing in there goes all the way down to the bottom and you can get it all. So yeah, that's one huge hunkingly big thing. Next, I got their Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush, number 704. How cool is this packaging? Normally don't come like that. So, woo! That has some weight. Wow, look at this. So this is angled, just because it can get into like, you know, the creases and stuff like that. So that is awesome, and it's super soft. And this, oh, it's infused with something. Thought I read somewhere that, oh, collagen. Just thought, infused with collagen. Does it work? I mean, really, how can your collagen get out of this? Is it just, I don't know. I don't know, but I thought this brush was super nice, and I love brushes, so yay for me. And, oh, 2 more things in here, I think. Yeah, 2 more things. Okay, so this is a Je ne sais quoi Hydrating Color Awakening Lip Treatment. And if you've watched my other videos, I have the driest lips on the planet, I think. Like, they look like dead people. They are, and they're so, like, they hurt so badly. Again, please leave comment down below if you've got, like, the miracle of lip things I've done. Scrubs, balms, creams, you name it, I've got going on. Anyways, so that was my rant. Blah, blah, blah. Look how cute this bottle is. And, oh, look at that. It's a magnet. That's awesome. I wish more companies do that, because then you don't have to worry about it in your purse or whatever coming apart, because, yeah, that's going to stay on there. Imagine if I whack the camera with that. Be like, adios, muchachos. See you later. We're not doing anymore. Okay. And then the last thing is the Brow Power Pomade Tame, Lift, and Sculpt Waterproof Brow Gel. So, this came in a bundle, so I couldn't really, like, say no to it. But, my eyebrows are actually microbladed. So I don't, like, I pluck a few hairs here and there, but, I don't generally do anything to them, but that's the bottle. It's pretty nice. I wouldn't really call it a bottle, I guess. But this, I think, is going to go into a future giveaway. Stay tuned for that, because I think there's some pretty awesome stuff so far in my giveaway. That's for 50, so tell all your friends. And yeah, that's it. That's all there is in there. So, if up until this point you've stayed awake and stayed with me, and if you want to leave, that's totally fine. But I wanted to try on the makeup, and I wanted to do, because this is usually my go-to, but I wanted to do half and half with the CC cream and the Bye-Bye under eye. So if you want to stay tuned for that, that's awesome. If you can't, then I'll see you later, guys. Bye. Alright, so sure, I just, dropped everything. Alright. We're gonna try this on together. Could be painful. Who knows? I don't know if that's enough or not for this side of the face, but it seemed really thick, so I should have a mirror to do this when I'm doing this. And it seems like that I can see a little goes a long way. I'm just going to do the other half and kind of do it at the same time, and then you can kind of see. I put way too much on, I think. Getting to those crease sides. Yeah. Normally I wear, like, I do have a CC cream that I wear. It's by Garnier, I do believe. And I like it. It's nice and light, and on the skin I don't like too much heavy stuff on, but since this is a CC cream, I'm gonna wipe the rest of this off. Okay, don't mind me, I'm going to use my mirror, my trusty mirror, and see first half of my face and see how well this goes on. If I'm doing this wrong, well, I'm not a guru, so I don't know. Seems to be blending into my skin not too badly. The Smashbox that I recently bought does not blend into my skin very nicely, so this is actually quite nice. Always go into your neck. Do not just go stop here and that's it. Don't do it. Don't even leave the house like that. Okay? Promise me? Don't do it. Alright, I'm coming in with this. Oh, it's just a shame. It's so white. Why did they do that? I don't want to use it. Okay. Okay. Ooh. That's actually working really nicely. I'm actually getting more of a full coverage. I don't know if you can tell, you can still see my ready cheeks over here, and it really blended in nicely. And don't do this while you're doing it, because then when you like are done, you're gonna have lines. So try to keep your face straight. Go down your neck, go down your neck. Do 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 do. Okay. And I usually use a setting powder after this, especially in your creases and stuff like that. But I think this worked better than my sponge. Crazy. Wow. It feels really good on my skin. Now let's just go over. I don't look like a freak. Once it blended in, it's pretty much gone. That's crazy. What do you think, guys? Worked pretty nicely, hey? It's not white anymore. Whatever. Oh, another thing that I did order, and the backlogs I didn't send in with this order, was the It Confident brush cleaner, and apparently it's supposed to be really good. So I can't wait to do that, and I will do maybe a review on that too, because I've got a few that I have used. One used to make my brushes really oily, and that's never a good thing. And the other one is very alcohol smelling, which I know that's why they use them, because it does help disinfect them and then dries really fastly. But so we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so I did want to try the It Bye Under Eye. Let's see what happens with that. Are you supposed to apply this with your finger or like with the sponge? I have no idea. A little apparently goes a long way. So, wow, that is very thick. I don't know if you can see that. I used, like, seriously, a dot. Woohoo! Yeah, so well, hopefully this doesn't make me look old. It doesn't. I've got lots of lines. Lots of laugh lines, so that's very brightening. I'm just gonna go in. Sorry, I gotta use my mirror again. I'm always worried because when I do my makeup, I always notice like I'm doing these weird faces. I mean, I can still see my lines. I did brighten it up a lot, but I see lines, so maybe maybe a powder will help. I don't know. Apparently my eyes are stubborn and nothing works for them, so. Alright guys, so if you've stuck out through all this, we've learned this worked better than this. Who knew? That's crazy. This at one point was white too, but it's not. And it's only a month old. I mean, I don't keep these around forever. You're not supposed to. Don't do it. You don't want your skin breaking out and ickiness. So yeah, that was my late night shopping. It Confidence is pretty good, and I am definitely going to use this the gel, and then give my opinions at the end. It takes, you know, your skin a good 6 weeks to get used to any kind of routine that you're doing. So don't give up after 2 or 3 days and like, ugh, it doesn't work. No. Your skin needs the time. So give it time. I will give this time. Yeah. I think I'm going to do a skin routine video of what I kind of do on a daily basis. And my new skin regime seems to be working quite well. So yeah, I will do that. And again, leave your comments about your miracle lip stuff because I need it. I need help. Help me. Okay. guys, so let me know what you thought of this tutorial here, and we will see you guys later. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and thanks for joining me on my channel. Thanks. Bye.